So I will quickly create an emitter, fountain, and we will cover the torus location. Today we have covered all these three. So I'll delete the velocity and gravity and make this torus location. Okay. So you can see this is a torus. I can increase the spawn rate. So this is torus, and the first option in the torus mode, whether you want to use torus or a knot. So if I use a knot, we will have this thing twisted. So let's cover the torus first. So in the torus, the first thing is large radius and second is handle radius. Large radius is this total radius. Handle radius is this thickness of this tube. So this is the large radius and this is the thickness of the tube. This is the handle radius. If you want just a ring, you can make it 0 and it will be just a ring. Although you have a different option for the ring, but you can use a torus as a ring. Okay, so I'll just reset this. After this, you have a distribution that is random, and then you have a surface distribution here. So this is, if you make this 1, it is only on the surface. If you make it 0, it is on the volume. So if I make this radius little high, I make this 1, now you can see it is only on the surface. If I increase the particle even more, see, this is only on the surface. And this is a distribution. If I increase it or decrease it, if I make it 0.5, we have the half. And now you can see the particle are spawning only on surface. And if I make this value 0, now this is volume, this is solid, and this is now hollow. So this is U distribution all on this radius. So you can use this 1 or 0. And this is V distribution. So this will make this half, maybe even more. So this is half from the top to bottom. So V actually always for the height and U is this radius. Okay, I will reset these. Then we have a transform that is the same in any shape. So I'll quickly show you. You can increase or decrease the height or width on any axis. You can scale it. Then you can rotate it. Of course, you can use this angle. If you have this X, you can animate it to Z and Y. If we have this yaw and pitch, you can do the same thing. If you have this, I can rotate it, Cool. After this, the last option is offset that you can move it. So you need to use default and you can move it on X, Y, and Z. So these are the all options. And then if you use the knot from here, so the transform will be the same. The distribution is the same. One more thing I left in the torus. In the distribution, you have also a direct. So if you use the direct, and let's make the life 0.5, 0.5. So the U is animating because it is connected with edge, and the V is 0.5. You make the 0. It is actually the height of the radius. So basically, if you copy this and paste this here, particle will go like this. And you can also multiply it like lower value and it will go like this. You can make it so it will be like this. It will make cool effect for you. So basically this is the V, so it's on the handle radius, the tube radius, it is animating, and this U is animating on the large radius like this. Okay, so that's why it's making this shape. So I will reset it to random, and now from here we can use the knot. So in the knot, the first option is the knot helix loop. You can increase or decrease, like you use 1 or 5, you can see. More the loops, it will take more space, so you will see the lower, less the value, it will take the less space and more the spirals. Then we have the ring, so you can increase or decrease this from here also. Then we have the torus knot radius, can increase or decrease, so it is moving particles from the normals, I guess. And then we have a large radius and short radius that we have already covered. Then this is the same thing. So this is for the surface only. Okay. And this is the distribution. You want to make it half, and then you can use it direct. So this is the same thing. Cool. So the output is same what I did in the torus location. And then we have these things. These are the all same. You can just scale it. You can rotate it, and you can offset it. So these are the all options in torus for the basic particle system. We can go deep and do some advanced things also. Bye.